Today we're going to review the use of a short spinal immobilization device for a patient with a suspected neck or cervical injury. Our patient is seated, and the first activity that we need to conduct after we're sure that the scene is safe is to have one of our members take spinal immobilization. Next, we'll assess the patient, determine whether he has sensory motor function in his upper and his lower extremities. Can you squeeze my hands? And you feel me touching you?
Yes.
Okay. How about move your toes? You feel me touching?
Yes.
Okay. Now that we're certain that patient has movement and sensation in his upper and lower extremities, we'll apply a cervical immobilization collar. Is that comfortable?
Yes.
Okay. Now we'll place the short spinal immobilization device behind the patient. It's often necessary to have one of the crew members lean the patient forward in order to place the device behind the patient. The placement of a device such as this is underneath the patient's armpits in order to have it immobilize them properly. So we'll bring the sides up underneath the patient's armpits and attach the straps in a sequence of the middle strap first, the bottom strap second, the leg straps third, which can sometimes present an obstacle to a rescuer that can be overcome by raising the patient's legs to pass the straps underneath them. The straps can be crisscrossed or they can be run back on the same side as they originate. Before the top strap is attached, the head is secured to the device. And finally, the top strap is attached. Once all of the straps are connected, they can be tightened up to secure the patient to the device firmly. At the end of the application of the device, you again check neuromotor sensation. Can you squeeze my hands? Can you feel me touching?
Yes.
Wiggle your toes. You feel me touching?
Yes.
Okay. Now that the patient is immobilized on the KED, we would transfer him onto a long spinal board, release the leg straps, and secure him onto the long spinal board. The short spinal immobilization device is an infrequently used piece of equipment that I would encourage you to become familiar with and be able to apply efficiently and effectively when necessary. I'm Mike McEvoy. Thanks for watching.